Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into best MamoPay fee. So let's dive into it. MamoPay is great for small businesses with local AED payment, offering a 2.9% plus AED 1 fee per transaction, no monthly fee, and no signed cost. Using a Mamo card for AED spend is often fee-free, which make it cost-effective for local transaction. However, fee rises for international card or non-AED currencies, and the optional hat-on like BNPL can jump to 6.9% plus AED1. So for low volume local business, it's ideal. For international or high volume use, consider alternative. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more payment tips, and comment if you want a free comparison chart. And that's it.